Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to add priority in Trello to keep your tasks organized and your workflow efficient. First, log into Trello at trello.com. You can also log in quickly with your Google account if you have one. Next, go to Power-Ups, click the Power-Ups button, search for Card Priority, and select Card Priority Badge by Krill Solutions. Click Add, then click Add again, and wait a moment. This lets you label tasks by urgency and importance directly in Trello. Once done, click the priority badge and go to Settings. In the Style field, select Words and Colors and Save. There are many options you can choose based on your preference. Now, open a card and select the priority level: critical, urgent, important, or low. So anyone viewing the board can immediately see which tasks need attention first. And that's it. Adding priority keeps your Trello board organized and your team focused. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Trello tips and tutorials.